Morning squad. Right, let me put this on over here. Good morning. Right, let me change my camera. It's very grey. Holy shit. Here we go. Right. That is okay. Okay, welcome everyone. So, wow, looks like GJ over here. Interesting this morning. Looks like GJ has done things over here. Let's move this there, Actually, let me put that there. So, I just put that there. Yeah, it looks very interesting. So, what time is this at? 2 o'clock. Wow. So basically, the start of Asian, we've dropped quite a bit over here. I woke up, I was like, oh my god, nearly 200 pips. Shit. So, looking interesting. The daily time is looking like it's continuing bearish over here. Clean candles to the left, which is pretty much done already. So, people with Asian sells, damn. 1 second, you said. Mic is low? Really? I think it's alright. Maybe this is too loud. Let me turn this down a little bit. So yeah, daily time frame is pushed all the way down, and it's kind of already mirrored these three candles, which isn't the best, to be honest. So this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. We've kind of mirrored the candle that we should have probably done all day, which is okay. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour is closed bearish. This one's made a little tot wick. A little tot wick. So the 4 hour time frame over here is bearish. Looking like, yeah, as I've said, it's kind of already done the move that was the nicest move because it was clean candles. Can you see? Pretty much done this whole thing. And I said if you drop below 164,600, we're going to continue down. Clean candles to the left to here, 163,600. But it's done this now in Asian, so it's going to be probably having to wait for some resistance to form, I think. So take a look at the 50-minute time frame right now. This is this current support, 163,500. So now I'm gonna have to wait for some resistance to form. So I'm just gonna put this here as well. So I'm gonna definitely have to wait for some buys, for some price to retrace, probably somewhere around here, and then take some sells back down. That's what I'm gonna have to look for over here. So yeah, let me just write this. So I could write here, waiting for sells. So we're waiting for resistance. Resistance. Yeah, wait for some resistance to form. 1 second over here. I think the stream will end shortly. Oh shit. Ah, there we go. Okay. So yeah, that's what I'm going to wait for in GJ. I think it's much easier for that. And then if we do continue down, let's take a look at the 50-minute time frame. Yeah, we've already just tapped this resistance, which kind of sucks, to be honest. However, we could probably come back to 163 flat if we wanted to push it somewhere around here, like this. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Pretty good. So I'm just going to wait for retracement. GJ looks like it's going to form a tasty setup. Maybe. It's literally just stopped this move though. Literally just like at 6 o'clock. So it's got like a while to retrace first, I'd say. Okay, so that's what I'm going to wait for. Some resistance to form. 1 hour gold max, pretty clean sells. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look. EJ 15 closure below. Maybe continue push. Daily has more room to push as well. Ah, nice. We'll take a look at EJ and stuff as well. Okay, yes. Goldie. Hey, can you not take sell once support's broken? On GJ, you could try to, but the hourly time closed bullish now, and it's rejected the lows. These candles are exhausting, so we need price to retrace up a little bit more, I'd say, to be a little bit safer. Okay, so the daily time frame on gold right now is bearish. No top wick on the daily. Interesting. No top wick. 4-hour time frame is pushing down as well. Very, very strong candle. So it looks like a lot of the markets have moved. Is Bitcoin already falling down again? Let's take a look. So Los Mars, I got a quick question. Yeah, man, go for it. Go for it. Okay, so taking a look at the hourlies, 30s, etc. Yeah, we're already kind of starting to move over here. We've actually hit 1797. I think the target was 17. Was it 1798? Just look at the hourly time frame. Yeah, so 1793 on the hourly time frame. Let's just, what does this look like on the 15? So yeah, it's kind of a big spike all the way down, wasn't it? And then we retraced. But this is the main low, to be honest, 1793. So that could be rather nice. Let's take a look and see if someone's in it right now. Is Jason here? Jason?
I'm in the trade this morning.
You're in the trade this morning?
With gold, yeah. I'm in gold sales at the moment.
Nice. Very nice. Where did you get in?
1801.
Salary play on the 30 minutes.
Oh wow, here. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, that could be quite nice to continue down to 1793, but I think let's take a look at the sells earlier on. Just break it that low as the push.
1801.
Is that where you got in?
Hmm?
Jace?
Yep.
How did you get in?
Impulse terrain.
Impulsed it. No way. Why? Like here.
Jason's
Nice.
pulled up like 25 different strats on gold this month.
That's nice. 56 pips. Oh, stanker. Nice, nice, nice. So I'm in EJ cells. Oh shit. Let's take a look over here. Let's take a look at FOREX Factory as well, because we know that it's quite important. Oh wow, okay, there's quite a lot of news. God, there's been so much news this week. Okay, so there's nothing much NY session like 1:30, which is good. We have loads of Euro news. At 9:30 we've got manufacturing PMIs, etc. So, let's take a look then at Euro JPY. Let's take a look. So yeah, we're doing a little back test of the trades we would have taken probably if we were in it, if we were using EJ in the past couple of weeks. Okay, so the same thing here. Second. I'll take a look at that after this, right? So, daily time frame bearish, kind of the same as every other one. It's pushed down already pretty hard. Pretty hard. The 4-hour time frame is bearish, breaking the lows of the previous. Breaking the lows of the previous. The hourly time frame is broken the low of the previous as well. So it's look good, like but it's still like yeah. I think this is a little bit choppy now. I think Asian was much cleaner. I think we kind of the same thing with GJ. It looks like it might be making a little bit of support if this 5 minute doesn't close below. Maybe here. And we need to kind of retest or form some resistance first, then retest the lows. I think that'll be much easier. So yeah, same thing with GJ here. How far is it ran? Yeah, like 153 pips. Holy shit. So yeah. What if the gold 15-minute closes below support? In 4 minutes time? It could be alright. You could be alright. I think that celery play is probably the best option here. So getting another break of the previous bullish low, stop loss above it, probably there. Or even a stop loss in the current.
I do think 1801 needs a retrace though, so we could see either retracement from that group or from the area below, but we could come back.
Yeah. So there's your 10 pips there though, if you held it on. Not too bad, not too bad. I've been doing a lot of downside reversals. And oh my god, George, what the fuck? Oh my god. Are you trying to catch me out there? Okay, AJ buys, we'll take a look at AJ buys as well. So yeah, it looks like kind of for the most part, all the pairs are going to be a little bit ranging over here. For a little while until we make some bullish buys, and then I'm going to take the sells back down. Yeah, AJ is exactly the same, man. So AJ buys, you know, the daily time frame. Look at the daily time frame. The daily's very, very bearish. So the daily's bearish. The 4 hour is just making the top wick, right? That's what you kind of expect. We've completely cleared the whole left hand side, which is nice. We've cleared it nicely. So look at the hourly time frame. Hourly's retracing and breaking the high. The previous 30-minute 15 is pushing up as well. So it's the same thing again with the rest, right? Support's formed a little bit. We just got to wait for some buys to come up to a certain level and then take the sells back down. That is literally, I think, the only thing I can really see over here. Oh yes. In the start, how you managed to arrange a good capital for trading? A lot of it came from Fund and Talent, which was like a funded provider, but it was a very, very good one because you could leverage it quite well. You got bi-weekly payouts, so that's very good. Like straight away as well. Didn't have to do any challenge or anything. So yeah, that leveraged me quite a lot, and just using my uni money really for quite a lot of it as well. To start off, I work like 3 jobs at uni as well, so I kind of just use my whole student loan for trading pretty much. So yeah. So yeah. And yeah, hello Mr. Brian. Have you taken anything this morning?
How's it? Nothing, mate. Not on GJ.
Yeah.
Irritating when you wake up and you see shit, I guess.
I know, yeah. Agreed. I was literally in my bed, I was like, mate, I've just seen the chart, man. I could easily go to bed for another half an hour now. Nothing's gonna happen here. Nothing gonna. I went to a poker night last night, yeah. I didn't drink anything though.
Yeah.
I didn't. So, July, wow, fresh. Can you explain the news that drive this sell-off? Let's take a look and see. Yeah, look at this JPY news over here. What time is this at? Yeah, 12:50, 1 o'clock. That's where we started moving. 1 o'clock. Yeah. So how could you have got in? Let's take a look. I wonder if that top wick was formed first. Because if it formed first and then broke the low, like this was like 2 minutes before this one was closing, that could be quite nice. But apart from that, it was probably a break of these lows there. With stop loss above, I think. So, could have done something like this. Oh, 26 pips stop, fuck me. Yeah, shit, that's quite beefy. Since I started trading, my sleep been so bad. Any tips? I'm fucking tired as shit right now, so I
I
don't
would
have any.
check that.
I don't have any tips for
Take
you.
take booze with you to bed.
I literally didn't as well. I didn't drink one drink. Actually, no, I had 2 drinks. That's it.
I see there.
I had two. I had 2 pints.
From none to two.
Yeah,
2 pints. I
no,
mean, that pretty much is
no,
nothing.
I need to. I need to.
My man, how can you say? But
Well,
yeah, to the change to advice, sleep when you're dead.
I can't wait for a lie-in on the weekend. Like, oh my god.
Lion lager.
What?
Lion lager.
Lion Largo. I'm so idea what the fuck you're saying. So yeah, there's literally nothing much going on right now because of how big that move was, but you can't blame it, to be honest. It's pushed out quite a lot. Hey Max, do you find trading easy now? It's never easy if you're not comfortable. You know you have to put yourself, not in the comfort zone. You got to always improve. If you sit back and just look for like the same setups again and again, then there's there's not many of them. So you have to look for other ways to get in, etc., etc. So yeah. Price moves so much during Asian session today. This is so rare. Yeah. We'll see though. Maybe continuation, but yeah. GJ buys. Someone's looking for GJ buys. Really? Straight away already? I don't know. I think I'd rather keep the trend right now. I think I'd rather keep on the trend. Let's take a look. Hello everyone. Oh my god, YouTube's flying today. So yeah, I don't think I find trading easy because I'm always trying to improve. If you just sat here not trying to improve, then yeah, it would get pretty easy, right? But always try to improve. Have you heard about Ugandan gold discovery? Yeah, I have. Damn. So is that going to be like corrupt? Is it going to be like a little fighting zone? Everyone's going to try and nick some? I'd be straight down there. Like if I lived there, I'd be getting my
13 trillion, eh?
I know. I'd be getting my shovel. I'd be going straight down there. 13 trillion. Fucking hell, that's not bad. Will this your first win or first loss of the month? That is the question. But right now, I can't see shit. So we'll have to see. So if you took the salary, did you get 10 pips? Yeah, you might have scraped it. And now it's retracing. So so maybe I think Jason's little impulse there was the only one. Interesting.
I got to like 8 pips and then I just put stop to break even because it wasn't moving the way I would like it to do.
Yeah. You didn't push as hard as you'd want it. This chat isn't complete without naked HD. I actually haven't seen them in a while, actually. Friday, 1st July, big move, many news. Yeah, we'll have to see, actually. We'll have to see. But it looks like there is quite a lot of news. EJ is looking alright for sales, but as Friday, new month, new core, I'm not trading. Fair. Yeah, it's new core as well. Shit. When a setup will if a setup appears, then I will take it. It's gonna be okay, but I do want a retracement first, then I can set it back down to 163,500. Yeah, I'm gonna stay away from GA. It's moved too much today already. Jason already got 4 bars. How far is Uganda from you guys?
That's far, mate.
Is it?
Yeah.
What do you want to see in what do you want to see to take a buy on GJ? Oh mate, it's gotta be. Don't even know, man. It's so bearish. It's just dropped 300 pips.
76 hours
In a car?
if we're to drive. Yeah.
Oh shit, it's fucking miles away. That's mad how big Africa is. Shit. How long would it take to drive from the top to the bottom?
From lot. Well, from
From
top
like
of Africa
Egypt,
to
from
us.
like yeah, from like Egypt or some shit.
Well, if Uganda's close to that, right?
Is it? I don't even know.
He's like right at the bottom, Max.
Oh, I know, no shit. You're fucking South Africa. But I was saying that from everywhere else. Like, how far is it?
We down below. Down below.
You're basically touching fucking Antarctica. Can you see it in the background? Can you
Look out
see
your
some
window.
white cliffs? Massive
South
fucking.
Africa is way more beautiful than the UK. I
I'd
can
say
tell you
Uganda's halfway to Egypt, max.
Oh wow. So Egypt's
Just by
miles
looking at
away.
it,
So Egypt's
yeah,
miles
it's far.
away. Yeah. I went to Egypt once. Mine is good, but holy shit, the food there gives you the shits. Oh mate, we were so fucking ill the whole time.
Yeah, but it's different food. That's the thing you're not used to.
Yeah, they clearly wipe their hands with the fucking shit with the fucking fruit, like.
Max.
For fuck's sake. Oh, being ill on holiday is like the worst thing ever, because especially if you paid for it. Oh, you're like, oh, why this? I saw Controller yesterday took a GJ trade, man. Saw it just before the stream ended. I think it was based on the 4 hour, but I always think Goldie's good for that. It can get you 10 pips easy, whereas GJ could be a little bit of a fucker. Those cells have got to be exhausted though. I think a closure above 163,800 longs are good for 20 pips or so. 163,800. Yeah, I mean, you could scrape them out, I'd say. But I just don't think they're gonna last long. Probably go 164. We'll be here tomorrow night. Music festival. What the fuck? Whoa. In Turkey? A big festival. Oh man. I wanna go to a sick festival, bro.
Gosh.
Could even be creating a bearish flag then sells again. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm waiting for, man. Seen it happen too many times, especially in simulations. Like, it's so easy to just wait for the retracements, man. That's all I want. The retracements. Buys up sells below on the 15. Yeah, for sure. If you want to get it in a bit aggressively, for sure. I think that'll be okay. I think for me, I'm just gonna wait for a more of a retracement, to be honest. I need it to be a little bit more. But it could generally just still continue if you wanted. I mean, the only thing is that maybe a closure below, a nice top wick on the to the 4 hour flip, and then flipping maybe. EJ, yeah, it's the same thing, man. My only issue is it's done the move that I wanted to, like it was on the daily, yeah. And the 4 hour support is right here, 140.962. It's also at 141 psychological level, so yeah, fuck trading that there. We've seen recently, guys, like if you're near like the big like whole number, my god, price can mess around there for ages. Like here, right? Look at this, just messed around, and since 12 o'clock, just messed around at 165 the whole time. So getting in on like the whole number psychological levels, oh, it's gonna be a disaster. It's gonna be a disaster. Yeah, it was based on the 4 hour. I lost it too. By the way, Max, I have a 200 real account and I'm 6.5% down. What do you guys suggest to do? I'm risking 1%. Should I lower my risk? On 24th of May, I got the account. Wait, are you on? Are you? Wait, you're funded real? Oh shit. Yeah, just put it really low, and just crawl out
I
of
was
it.
gonna say run.
Yeah, just put just like really low lots and just crawl out of it gradually. Yeah. That's what you should do, I think. It will retrace to fill the imbalance midway up. Where's it imbalance? Yeah, I think maybe 164, 100, 200, like somewhere around here could be nice to retrace to. I think that'll make it a little easier. To be honest with you, I seen Daniel Savage's when was this? This today. 100k giveaway. Daniel Savage here hosting a free class tonight. Whoa, is the class about putting your stop loss to break even after you're up 18 pips? I'm not gonna lie, if he was doing a lesson on that, I gotta listen to him. Or his risk management webinar. I'd love to see that one. That would be really good. Risk management. Let's take a look over here. Hey, what happened to Raja? Is he dead? He's just living, man. Raja's just fucking around. Best way to be. What are you looking at, Brian, then? Got 2 minutes left for this 30 to close. I know, it's actually... Not even take profit, just break even. It's like... Careful with this free class because it may turn to a paid class. Yeah, wow, a paid class.
I've just got GJ in a range on the 30, mate. Wicks to wicks, draw box.
Yeah.
At this moment in time, I'm just waiting for a break and a retest of the box, and we'll go that way. It's super bearish, so I'm not buying yet.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. I just hate having like an hourly wick like that. It's just an area where it just taps, rejects, and then flies up a little bit more. Don't think it's ready for the sells yet.
I also got like a little range there. Actually, a pip range? No, 40 pip range. So yeah, closure above or below. It looks as if we could close below. So we all had a very yeah.
This is my gold chart. It's literally very, very simple. 1793 could be the target. I could also put another resistance / support line there.
Yeah, that is untested.
Yep.
I'm looking at that. Continuation.
Yeah. Continuation of the cells after that would be rather nice. And then that'll be the that'll be the one I'll make at the top wick. Oh, so the one I was closing right now. Shit. So yeah, it's 8 o'clock. We'll have to see. But yeah, looking like GG over here since I mean I suppose since 6 o'clock it's been messing around. 8 o'clock over here could close below. Interesting. Possible sale on GJ. If it gets a closure below, maybe. But I'm just worried that it's 163,500 and we haven't really retraced too much. Hourly's closing like this. 30 minutes closing okay. It's okay. So the 15 closed bearish. See if it's got enough volume to break it further. If it breaks that low, where your stop's gonna be? 31 pepperoonies. So if you got on the break of the lows here, stop loss is gonna be your stops are huge. So nothing from you yet. Nothing for me, boy. So maybe an X15 closure. Maybe next 15 closure. So if you got in on the break at the previous lows, then you should be probably a stop loss to break even right now. Yeah, you just hit 10 pips nearly. You're nearly there. So that's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Yeah, we nearly hit 7,000 subscribers. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. All that good stuff. Today's Asian movement is the largest move in the whole of this week compared to any sessions. Not sure about the UK and US today. We'll have to see, yeah. So there you go. There's your 10 pips if you got in on the impulse again. 30-minute closed below. I think it's going to be better looking for sells in gold rather than buying. Yep. Yep, I wanted a retracement, I think. So the 30 actually did close below. 15 didn't. The 30 closed below. So look at the hourly. Hourly closed below. Which is where were your stops, right? Did anyone try and get into this trade? Where did you put your stops? Just, you know, in the 4-hour flip maybe? So 4-hour flip would have given it 16 pip stop. So yeah, it's still quite beefy. I swore to stay away from Asian sessions, and then the big move happened already. Oh, today, yeah. It's flown. Let's take a look at how this monthly closed. Oh my god, look at this low wick already. Look at the retest on GJ.
Yeah, myself and Sasha were speaking about this. This is very interesting.
163, 155. Oh.
Who's gonna pick the bottom of the monthly candle?
Take it a buy there, stop loss below. Oh.
Jesus Christ.
How much stops is that? Oh shit, I don't mean to do that.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Stop is 300 pips, gain is you get like 1,000 pips maybe.
We said we want to do it.
Yeah, 0.05.
Yeah, take super low. Just go for it. TP open. Ah.
I think it's a shit
Have to wait
risk
a whole
reward
month.
though. Let's do that.
What, 300 for 1,000?
Yeah, it's
Sounds
1
about
to 3. It's fucfucking shit.
Yeah.
Jason got 1 to 3
Shit,
on like
we
a
only
fucking
get 10
gold
pips
trade.
normally.
I have to wait all month for a fucking 1 to 3.
Then send a 10 lot, man.
A beefy lot. So yeah, it's quite interesting when that 30 closed bearish below everything else. That was not too bad. It was the only issue was the stops. So yeah. Buy GJ when it breaks 163.843. Ah, nice. Doesn't look like it's going to be doing that recently. Anyway. So yeah, we'll see. Are you in a trade? Come on, brother. The gulag is on fleek today. Gonna take a sell after 15 closes below. Oh, is this on GJ? So if this closed like this right now, break of the lows would be a 22 pip stop already. Fucking hell. EJ. My only issue is EJ is right at 141, so I'm probably not going to take a trade in EJ. Because it's just a very, very big psychological level. Big S psychological level. So we'll see. EJ's 1 hour ejection wicks are kind of scary for me to go short. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Same as this one, really. Yeah, of course, bearish still back below, but it looks a little bit scary. I think it's just that whole thing of, you know, jumping into these trades when we've just had a nice, you know, beautiful trades happening over here. It's just, you know it's not the best time, right? You know deep down that taking trades, you know, like in this area is not nice, considering you just missed this. So you got to sit back a little bit, I think. Oh, is Mr. Daniel streaming again? Let me take a look. I'm gonna have him on my other screen, man. Some enjoyment. Diddle-oo. Oh god, he is. Nice. Oh, he's in a trade already. Oh my god. Oh no. Why are you taking a buy, Daniel? Oh my god. Why are you taking a buy, Daniel?
What the fuck is he buying off? Jesus.
Christ.
The problem is, like, if you look at his entry, you can't even do a fib there. So it doesn't, and he's a fib trader. So what is he even basing his trade off?
Yeah. Daniel Savage reverse indicator. Yeah, that tells us that we should sell right now, really.
Well, it keeps going. Pretty bearish, Savage.
Did you just close it?
Oh,
Oh my god. Next level. So 7 minutes left. What you say? Gold. Broken the 50-minute lows, 30-minute lows, and hourly lows right now. 4 hours going to be pushing down. So it's probably going to now drive to 1793. 1793 for Goldie. How's crypto doing today? Oh. Oh. Doesn't look the nicest. I can't believe gold's still going down. What the fuck is going on? Let's take a look. Yen is supposed to be weak, so maybe sells for the first week of July, then continuation buys or something like that. Depends. Depends what the charts show you, right? I'm gonna move my charts up a little bit because I'm just zooming in too much.
was gold going down? Just in the dollar more, man.
Yeah, that's true. Gold waiting for NFP. Yeah. Is that today?
First Friday of every month, NFP.
Month or something. So yeah, today.
Where the fuck is it?
First.
Yeah. Am I blind or?
Next week, I think.
Oh, should be. But today's the first Friday of the.
I know, it's weird, and it should be today, but...
Very weird. It should be today. Yeah.
There's a US bank holiday on Monday. Fuck's sake. Oh, that day looks not nice. Fuck. Oh, next week looks rough when I'm on holiday. So that's good then. So if I miss this day, that's a bunch of news. Nice.
You hear that session? You hear that session? He's already giving us bad vibes.
Oh no!
No, trust me, I've already told you guys, the second I go on holiday, there's going to be some nice ass charts, so I'm giving you guys the look.
Yeah, and then you go and say, oh, it looks like fucking ass.
He's gonna say, no, he's gonna say, just when I go on holiday, top weeks, what weeks?
There's going to be beautiful top wicks, brother. Take a look. NFP is next Friday, yeah. Oh yeah. So we'll see, man. Did anyone actually try and get that London push? That little London push over here? You'd got like 12 pips, I think. 12 pipperoonies. That'd have been pretty good. So yeah, we'll see. But it has broken the lows. It should potentially continue But yeah, there's nothing too much, man. Especially after a move like that. It's not like it's been like a whole day. Like it's literally just nutted like fucking 100. AJ was 180, but GJ was ridiculous, right? Yeah, 180 pips and like a couple 50-minute candles. Oh my god. On the daily time frame though, this is beautiful. Like this is so clean. I actually said this yesterday as well, Brian. Remember? I said, yeah, I came all the way back down.
Yeah, because we spoke about the daily anyway. Wednesday, Thursday, right?
Yeah.
So we all saw it's just, yeah, we can see where it's going. It's just, fucking, it does this.
Yeah.
So irritating.
Yeah, I got a little win in London, but I wasn't risking anything major. That's fair enough. Win's a win. Win's a win. You fucking guys in the chat today. Where is Max? Where is Max? Wait, bro, I'm literally 20 minutes late. And do you know why I'm late? Because the fucking chart looked like shit this morning. I was like, you know what? I can have another 10 minutes of nice eyes shut. Because I'm getting fuck all GJ trade here. Look at the easy stop loss. There's no problem. That's like a spontaneous boost, so it has to move up. No FOMO. Exactly, man. Exactly. Oh, there we go. 1793 over here. 1793. So if you are in gold cells from before, that's probably a good target. That's probably a good target. May feel that wake up to 1787. But I think that's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. And gold moved quite a bit as well, actually. Yeah. 630 is the thing that pushed it. Let's look at the 5-minute. Yeah, after that 5-minute closure was kind of nice. The top wick, maybe the retracement a bit higher was a bit more easier. But that wasn't too bad. Yeah, it's not too clean, is it, boy? 1793, very nice. Oh, the gold cells yesterday that controller took were fucking piece of piss. They were just so late on. He took a GJL and then he took a gold trade after. It was just literally the closure back. He took this trade here. It was on the 30th. I think it was in the hourly based off, but
hourly.
Was it the hourly?
And he took the break of the current candle low. But if you look at his picture, he's got it on the break of the previous low.
Yeah.
Long till.
Oh, but it was the current.
Yeah, so it was weird that he took the current, but then his short tool was on the previous low.
Nah, I think he just got in on the previous low, didn't he? Or did he actually say he got in on the current?
Just by looking at the picture, and let me just check again. I had a good sleep, so could be confused.
Yeah, hourly breaking the low. So it's a 36 pip stop. And then he held it all the way. He did a Raja play where he goes off stream and holds on the whole thing. That happened later on, so that was kind of like at 3 o'clock, yeah. But that hourly bearish closure was nice, man. I did think, so if this closes bearish, then we should theoretically continue back down to this entry.
Yeah, so his short tool, his entry is on the previous low.
Yeah, that's what I've got mine on.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Yeah.
I thought you kept saying that he took the current low.
Well, he normally does, yeah.
Remember how the candle was fucking around, remember?
He normally does, but in this example, I have to see what it actually did in this one, because it might have just made the top wick and then the reflip. He was like, he'd rather...
because we were watching it, and it was stuffing around, and then it broke its own low, then it went.
Yeah. So if the wick on this candle isn't made yet, like here, then you'll just wait for the break of the previous after it's made a top wick here. Yeah. Yo, good morning, good morning. Anyone know how much my Forex funds gives extras after the 30 days have elapsed? I have no idea. Anyone know? Anyone know in the chat? So let's take a look at GG now. Looking like we're still continuing down now. The 15 closed below. Oh, those wicks are scary, man. No top wick. If it breaks that low, though, you could be okay over here. There we go, broken the low now, which is 30-minute pushing down. 30-minute pushing down. So I'd definitely say now, if you've got it in like around these areas, yeah, take some profits. You're up like 16 pips or so. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And there we go. There's your tap on gold. So always remember, look to the left. Take your profits when you come to an area. Don't just try and hold it all, because the probability that it rips down even further is probably quite low. Yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, there's nothing I can see right now. If not on Friday. So yeah, I mean, this one 15 has no top wick. The 5 looks okay, but yeah, I think the push has been okay right now. So you gotta see a little longer over here. But as I said, I'll probably just want to retrace later on.
Well, I impulsed the shit out of that, and I got my 10 pips
Oh my god. Where
on the
at?
5 minutes. When I saw that 5-minute rejection candle, I
There.
took it there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop loss above.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. Tight.
As is say ook, we don't feel shit, man.
Yo, what?
As is say ook, man. We don't feel shit.
Don't fear shit, boy. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it's just a waiting game over here for something that I want to see. But right now, it's kind of I've already done this. Did you try and find the entries there, Bri, on GG?
I was thinking about it, but yeah, like I said, I wasn't buying, so I definitely see sell, but I just don't like the little range. I don't trade a range box like that, you know. It's just
Yeah.
impulses. We know they're there, right? So I could have done the same thing.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Should have, could have, would have.
Yep.
Oh my god. Don't leave us.
What?
Demon.
Let's take a look at some more questions. Plans for the weekend? I'm moving now, so I have to fucking pack everything today. I literally can't be arsed. So that's great. Hey Max, can you check the chart I sent to the group? Yeah, boy. Any thoughts? Let's take a look over here. So this is gold on the 15-minute. Price is in a downtrend, so I was waiting for sells. Had my entry in the break of the 15-minute after created resistance. Okay. I see. 3, hold the stop loss until the price came up and got rejected. So once this happened, I moved my stop loss to the previous 15 high. Okay. So your stop loss was on the previous bullish high, or the red one, yeah. Is this on the 15-minute time frame? I think, yeah. I think for me personally, this is just a range. That's on the 15. Yeah, I think that the only issue was that this was just a little range here. and you don't give it enough room, right? But I think if this candle closed, instead of getting in a little bit quicker there, could have waited for that candle maybe to close like there, and then continue down like that. I think that'll be a little safer. Because just getting in there is like not much confirmation. Yeah, you got a bearish candle, etc. It's breaking the lows. The zone first to the next support is very small, and the actual range is quite small, so it can just mess around in there. I think the range is a little bit too small. Yeah. Too soon to manage risk, lol. Nah, I think that was reasonable. Yeah, that's the thing, man. Gold likes its wicks up and down. And because your zone from here to here was so small, you can't really take a trade like there to retest the lows. Like normally, when you break there, you want it to retest the lows, but the lows are there, so it's like it's right next to it, and it did retest it. So, yeah. If you get resistance forming, it's going to retest the lows, the bodies of the candles, and you know, if that zone is too small, then it's not worth it. It's not worth it. Where are you moving to? I'm curious. Leeds. I'm also moving this weekend. Got to stop packing after this. Oh, I'm gonna fucking not pack anything today. Max, what day are you going on holiday, and when you're back? Go on the 6th, and I'm back on the 13th or 14th, something like that. 13th, I think. Yeah. 13th. Back on the 13th. EJ looking clean if it closes below 14900. Let's take a look. The left hand side's a little choppy over here, but I mean it could continue down to 14700. Yeah. 14700. Right around there. Would be rather nice, I'd say. So yeah, potentially. I mean, let's look at the 30-minute time frame. 30 looks okay. 7 minutes left for a closure. That could be okay. These hourlies are getting a little bit scary for me, though. Do you not think? The bodies are getting smaller. The wicks are getting larger to the downside. Normally shows a reversal. So that was kind of what I was worried on GJ as well. Yeah, not a vibe. So yeah, how long left? 6 minutes left. Oh, I think Daniel Savage is in a. Well, he is. I've got it on the right hand side of you. Daniel Savage is in a buy. Sorry, a sell. Oh, needs to hold on. So, 30-minute has got 6 minutes left, and yeah, same for the 15. The 15 could make a top wick over here. Oof. Top wick of Rooney. So yeah, that sell there, interesting. Flown straight down to 1805. That was nice. But yeah, there's nothing too much, man. Jason, what are you looking at, my brother? If he's here.
Waiting for my Eastern gold, man. So
You're
because
yeah.
I couldn't get the first one higher up there. So I'm waiting for second opportunity.
Yeah.
So on the 15th, I'm basically right now. For this.
Oh, here.
Sir.
Oh.
That's strong.
Yeah. That's something that happened with GJ before, and Brian took it. I was like, oh, that felt like a bit of a strong little push there. Like, absolutely not with the retest there. I want you to nice and tap it and then fuck right back away. Like, oh no, Daniel. Is that again? How much was he in profit? Oh no, not again. Ah, he was only in 10 pips. Okay. Oh wait, let me keep that because I'm watching it on the right hand side. It's great. People on his signals this week would be a bit fucking mad with all the time it's in profit and then they lose the trade. Look at that shit. Oh no no no. Okay. Hey brother, how did you end up last month?
In bed.
Yeah, 12 wins, 7 losses. So yeah, Max, can you make 5-minute trend line on gold? Yeah, well the thing is for me is that I can only see really the buys, to be honest. I mean, you could say that. 1 second. There's one there. A downward one. I'd say I got that. Look at the 15. Yeah, it's looking like it's retesting it, guys. Are you looking at it now, Sash? Or are you in? You guys are in. So people over here, definitely people in my chat over here, have taken a sell there. Stop loss
I'm
above
in.
there. To continue back down to the lows. That was nice. It kind of slowed a little bit down, right? So if you got in there, huh?
They better hold their balls.
Yeah, I know. My only issue with it is that it's tapped 1793. This may have to retrace. Still an untested area, 1800. If you think about it in the basis of things, 1800 is probably a good psychological level, right? For it to come back to. Oh my god, is he just taking a buy again now? This fucking dude.
Well, it could work. It could work now because you've got strong support now,
Yeah,
right?
but
If you look at the 15.
yeah, but he's in a sell as well. He's in a sell and a buy.
Oh my god, really?
Oh no, Dr. Dollar trade. Okay, okay, this is a Dr. Dollar trade. That one's losing. Okay.
See, now they're putting each other up against each other. That's so bad. Oh, and then they talk about psychology.
Yeah.
Savage, I think he's really, really, really good trader.
You're just not a savage, Warren. You don't get it, bro.
Yeah, bro. He's not a savage.
Savage.
See my SL? Fucking savage, bro.
Savage. My little 6-pip savage. Ooh.
You'll have to be careful. Market don't come to stops again today, won't he?
Yeah, that's true. The market makers again.
Yeah.
Cheated out of his trade again. Oh no.
But you never lose a trade if your stop loss is 200 pips.
Exactly.
Yeah. You're gonna be right on one time frame the direction, so it's alright. You might be wrong on 5 of them, but you're bullish on like fucking 7 yearly or something.
That's funny as fuck. What the fuck is this button? Insert ad. Oh shit, I did not mean to do that. Does that mean an ad pops up? I think it does. It's interesting. Reggie Banks watching Savage's stream apparently. Oh my god. Oh my god. JC, you holding this?
Nah, I went V at 5.
Good lad. Good lad, because you're gonna have to take some serious drawdown right now.
That was good management though, just in, break even, fuck it. If it runs, it runs.
Yeah, it was good. It was good, bro.
How's it? How's it?
How's it?
How's it, bro?
How's it, bro? How's it, bro?
What you doing this weekend, eh, but?
Oh my god.
That's my favourite.
How's it, bro?
How's it?
How's it? How's it?
That's fucking insane in cricket.
How's that?
How's that?
1,000. Let's go.
I can't get my head through cricket, man. I can't fucking do it.
You play anything else other than soccer?
Yeah, rugby,
Football.
tennis.
You play rugby?
Yeah,
You buckle boy.
absolutely fucking not.
You're really going for
You'd
like
be
knee replacement
surprised.
one of these days.
Yeah, I know. Cross country I used to do.
Cross country as well.
Yeah, I used to be county cross country. I used to run for county until I started putting on some serious weight and realised that I was running against people that were fucking a third of my weight.
Yeah.
I was like, what the fuck is this? They're all there with like fucking 2% body fat and like absolutely no muscle on them, and I'm fucking
Rolling.
rolling down the mountain. Oh, I used to love doing that, man. I used to have like big spikes. I used to love wearing the spikes. Oh.
You like fishing, Max?
I've never really done it, and I think I would like it, but I also got ADHD to fuck, so I think I'd get bored very quickly.
Fishing.
Yeah.
Oh, Brian kayaking, great white sharks.
Fishing's sick.
Kayak. Oh, I'd love to do some kayaking and stuff. Yeah, that'd be sick. Kayaking would be nice.
You ever bungee jumped or parachuted out?
Nah, I'm not doing that shit.
Too much of a weight.
Absolutely not doing that. There's no way I am jumping off a fucking plane.
Good fun.
Oh. I like when they're all on their their phones, like they're ringing people. Like, I literally have not used my. I've never rang anyone in fucking years. Maybe you just got no friends. Probably that. Daniel's deleting Raja's comments. Oh my god, is Raja there? Oh my god, he is as well. Oh. What do you think about trading Amazon? You'll buy and sell product. Oh my god, Raja's there. Oh my god. Oh mate, this has been comical all week. It's been fucking great.
Did you see? He's waited for like the best day.
Yeah.
After his such a bad week to come and nail it. He's a savage.
Oh, do you know how many times Raja got messaged yesterday on Instagram about go on Daniel's stream?
I
And
can imagine.
oh, you really got you could have got asked a good fucking 30 times, like. Just come on and fucking butt fuck him for a bit.
Why is Roger being quiet? Did he blow up his computer?
Wait, what?
Did he blow up his computer?
Yeah, I have
Didn't
no
he build his
idea.
own PC?
Oh yeah, he did. Oh, did he blow up the electricity or some shit?
No, I'm just thinking like maybe he fucked it up.
Yeah, that could be true. I would not trust myself to building my own PC. I'll end up fucking it up somehow.
Yeah, but every oil rigger engineer thinks he's a professor, right?
Yeah, that's true. That is very true. Oh, it's no stream tomorrow. Canada Day for Mr. Don. Canada Day. Oh shit. So, Gio coming back up after a little push. So it was a nice little drive for people trying to get in, but it wasn't really too much in it really. I mean, how far did it get then? At 8 o'clock. So this is the candle. I pushed like a fair amount, like 30 pips. That's a fair amount. So now maybe a more retracement for the next couple hours would be nice for us. Oh, look at Goldie. Goldie's got a proper nice little touch. Only issue is we are very bearish. I hate to take buys in this. But it'll be interesting to watch. It'll be interesting to watch. Let's take a look. AJ sells. Let's take a look at AJ sells. Ah, really? Nah, man. Prices came down twice now, rejected twice. It's not looking good for a sell. It's not looking good, bruv. The 30-minute time frame closed below. It's got a big wick to fill potentially. So the 30 looks okay, but the 15 looks 15 looks poor. Max, have you considered trading other pairs like GU or EURUSD? Not really them pairs, no. They don't really move too much, I don't think. But some other ones. Like, been looking at EJ recently. EJ. And EJ looks not too bad, to be honest. Not too shabby. Let's take a look here. So yeah, 73 likes, amazing work today. Yeah, I'm gonna hit 7,000 subscribers. Need to see 7,000. I tell you what, the whole subscriber count you don't care about like after you've hit 1,000. When I hit 1,000, I was like, great. After that, I just didn't really care much about it. $6,970. Sheesh. But yeah, looking like maybe it might not be a little London session trades today. But you know, if I had to screenshot like my London session, like in the past, well, just you know, forever, like this would not be in a high like London trading session. Like it's not nice enough. Not too nice. I'm new here. Oh, nice. Welcome, welcome. Let's get some good vibes in the chat. Let's take a look. I love the effort. Just want to ask, have you tried Manara? The fuck is Manara? Manara. So yeah, looking like Goldie's holding this little trend line quite well. This little channel. So yeah, EJ's starting to push up now. So was there any entries for EJ? For sells? Nothing really. So this is what I'm really wanting on GG and stuff, to push up, because what happens is when price starts to push up, we then have more room to then continue back down to the lows later on. So yeah, it's an AI for the patterns. So yeah, that's what I really want a little bit more. There's nothing here, boys. Let's take a look at who's in the chat today. How many people we got in today? 44, holy shit. 44. I want to be able to add more of the setup types. That editor that controller has is sick, man. So for people wondering like what I'm actually like waiting for over here is this, but it's probably gonna happen a bit later on. So when I do the simulation session, we'll keep an eye out for it. But it's probably gonna be something like this. So we've got the big drop, which obviously in this case is much bigger than my little diagram, but this is the drop. Now I need the retracement back to a certain level. It could be a psychological level, could be a support on the left. Obviously we don't have anything to base off because there's nothing to the left, so it'll just be psychological points. So 164 could be reasonable, or like 164, 250 in them areas. So wait for the retracement. Don't take the buys there because you'll end up getting slapped, because overall pressure is bearish, so it can fuck around for ages, and then take the sells back later on. And yeah, that's all it is. That's all it is. Take a look at what he's doing now because I'm very intrigued over here. What the fuck is going on
The
here?
biggest stop loss we've ever taken, sir.
Yeah. It's one of those nights.
Oh, Dr. Dollar's taking a trade. A 38 pip stop. A 38 pip stop on GJ. Nice. I just don't get why they're trading this range, to be honest with you. Do you agree, Brian?
Say again?
I just don't know why they're trying to trade this crappy range here.
Yeah, it's open extended. It's gonna. You don't know which way it's going, right? You got a
Yeah.
bearish trend, but it's open extended. You don't know why it's done this. You caught buyers and sellers are now trapped.
Yeah.
They're just absolutely spinning the wheel here.
Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. So if you take a look at me and DC, so DC, very, very good trader over here. He's probably doing the same, right? He's probably just sitting on his hands. Take a look. He's probably just sitting on his hands because there's nothing much going on. Yeah, look. There's just nothing going on, man. They're not trading though, they are gambling. Yeah, well, we'll see. We will see. Do they feel like they have to trade or something? Yeah, man. It looks like they're just looking at a very, very lower time frame. It's like, bro, if you just got out like 1 or 2 time frames more, you'd realize that it's just a fucking crappy zone. One of you is gonna win, but it's just like, what's the point? It's just a very crappy zone. That is so toxic as well. The fucking bet, like, I think, like Dr. Dollar's in looking for sells and Daniel Savage looking for buys. Oh,
Like when you're looking for sales and Brian takes a buy.
yeah, just like that.
Yeah, but I won't say it. I'll just be sneaky.
Yeah.
Yeah, always be like another 15-minute candle after when it's bullish. That's normally what happened. Normally as a group though, we're not that bad, right? As a group, we normally stay on the bias of what we want, really.
Correct. Yeah.
We're pretty good like that. God, imagine that if we're like, for some reason, like the strategy wasn't clear enough to find what direction, so we're all fucking asking if it's a buy and a sell. Like, oh my god.
There is always that oak that does see something different, right?
Yeah, yeah. But to be honest, in our group, it's not so much seeing something different as seeing some worrying factors to take into consideration that maybe someone else doesn't see. Yeah, it's never like, I think it's a buy. It's like, well, you know, we always kind of agree which way because it's pretty obvious. Took AJ on the 30-minute. 30-minute flip. Interesting. See how that works it out. I'm just not playing with this. Not play. Since you're moving to Leeds now, will you bail on Newcastle United? No, I always have Newcastle United in my heart. But I will go to some Leeds games, to be fair. Leeds, Leeds, Leeds. Yeah, I'll definitely go for some Leeds games, for sure. Oh, Naked HD's back. Hello, wow. Daniel talking about you, Max. Mr. Savage. Mr. Savage probably doesn't even know me. I only know I don't know Mr. Dollar. So yeah, we gotta wait patiently over here. Just take a look.
They are actually talking about it. I just watched it.
What they're saying.
Stop loss matters into real trade if I don't know him. I know all real traders.
Wait,
Just
what?
talking shit. He's saying you're not a real trader because he knows all real traders.
He's there.
Yeah, he's just been saying it then. Him and Dr. Dollar.
Dr. Dollar probably hasn't agreed because he's always spreading love, to be fair. I frankly couldn't give less of a fuck, to be honest. I think everyone in this chat knows who's the real fucking gambler over here. So get the fuck up, GJ boy.
What are they talking about, yeah? What broker you trade on now?
What?
You're asking what broker you trade on?
I see. I see markets, boy. Let's take a look over here. Daniel is high. He knows every broker. I trade IC markets. It's probably the biggest broker in the world. The biggest broker, boy.
Just a muppet, I think.
Let's take a look. Let's take a look at any charts actually people sent today. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Oh, these some trades today? Oh, no, yesterday, sorry. Oh, that was the EJ one I wanted. Now that is a nice trade. Oof. The only problem that I've now with IC sometimes is too much slippage even in roll count. Yeah, but I feel that everyone has slippage. I don't think it's the broker. I think it's quite a lot of them. That's my only issue. Yeah. So if we do break 163,800, as I said, it is going to be later on to take some sells later here. But for me, buys, I mean, the buys could work out, but they'll be very short-lived. So if you're happy taking that, go for it for sure. Okay, let's take a look. With a strong rejection last candle, Max, even though the retest was sweet, would you have still taken that trade once it flipped? Oh, yeah, it's quite a big rejection, isn't it?
Anyways, but I was just wondering, would you?
I think that for me would have been a 2 rejection this candle, yeah.
Yeah, I thought so. That's why I didn't take it.
Yeah, the body of the candle is way too small compared to the wick, for sure. Oh, yes. So, if we do break up over here, we're going to continue for a little while. Let's take a look over here. This guy's over there. Hey, Maxi, Daniel thinks you're not real. What do you mean, not real? I don't get it. I am a real human being, yes. And I've been trading live on YouTube more than he has, so.
But your win rate against Savages, you win, so Sales are not a real trader now. Good.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you guys better get cash from Phillips and Rafinha, so if you use wisely, that could be possibly. Oh, this for Leeds. Yeah. The savage buyers ended up working. Yeah, it's an arrange, man. It's going to go one way or the other. You know, it's 50% win rate. Great.
In a range, you can buy supports and sell resistances. It's not that difficult. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
chance of it turning on you is higher. That's the only problem.
Will you take a buy if it closes above? Oh, I don't think so. We'll see. I think I just would rather just take the sells later on, to be honest. It's
Strong closure above those wicks. Strong. Big. Different story. Because then you got juice behind it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And a nice ass lower wick. Oh yeah. So 9 minutes left. Let's take a look over here. 9 minutes left. Let's take a look and see what the score is. If you can hold on for that long, to be fair. Yeah, that'll be 9 o'clock. It's still enough time. Should be pretty good. Yeah, definitely making some decent signings, so hope we can go through. Oh, mate, Leeds in the relegation battle, man. I wanted them to stay up so much. I was like, please stay up. Because when I move down, I want to go. So 8 minutes left for this closure. Looking like it probably is going to close pretty strong. So we'll have to see. So news in 30 minutes after close. Let's take a look over here. Oh yeah, there is, isn't there? Yeah. Yeah, 30 minutes. Interesting. Let me just go over here. 30 minutes till after close. Final manufacturing PMI. Yeah, that might put me off a little bit over here. Only half an hour left. Oof. The EJ one. Oof. Oof. So if you got it on the flip there, stop loss below. Oh, the stop loss is huge, but just getting there. 6 pip stop isn't too bad. 6 pip stop isn't too bad. Oof. Let me just take a look over here again. It was awful when you're moving here. I'm moving tomorrow. Tomorrow. So you have to drive down. So Tom, did you just take the break of the high and then hope for price to continue? When did you put a stop loss to break even here? It's like 5-6 pips. Something like that. So let's take a look then in the retest. Be 163,800 could be okay. Could be okay. So yeah, 5 minutes left for this over here. We should be good. Maybe. Maybe just take a look at how the hourlies are looking like now. Yeah, hourlies broke the highs. 5 minutes left. 4 hours tracing. We'll see the score, man. I don't know if it's too bearish for me. See how it opens, but yeah, not too comfortable. And also the stop loss is ridiculous, so I can't even give it enough room, right? If you get on the break of the high, you have to use current candle stops, and normally they're quite small. So we'll see. 4-hour resistance to the left as well. Let's take a look. Yeah. So here, that's the other thing that I was looking at. So this could be just the top wick.
Is that at 151, 164, 151 price level?
No, 163.888. Yeah, that's a little bit scary over here. DC's in the building, my boy. DC's in the building. He says, what's the plan? I'm not seeing much on the charts, to be honest. Yeah, me too, brother. There's nothing much going. There's nothing much for me. I think the news coming out in half an hour's time, the 4-hour resistance being right there, I think if I took a buy there, I think I'd cry. So I'd rather just wait for the sells later on, I think. Probably. Freaky Friday, yeah. Well, it was an Asian session, damn. Monthly candle has no top wick and previous monthly closed above. This monthly candle tapped the resistance that the previous monthly candle closed above. Take a look. Yeah, it's a pretty good tap. You're not wrong, actually. You're not wrong. It's just to get where to get in. Yeah. Where to get in is going to be the hardest factor, I'd say. It's going to be probably the hardest factor. I wouldn't buy on this closure if I were you, Max. Range 1 fake out, back in the range is possible. Yeah. Exactly. I just don't think it's worth my time, really. Let's look at the 30-minute. We shall see. So 2 minutes left. I wonder who is going to take these buys over here. I want to see Brian in the 5-minute time frame. See his little entries over here. So closing in 2 minutes time. It's all good. First day of the month. We have a whole month, even a whole year. Yeah, exactly. Oh, thank you for the subscribe, Millie. Thank you very much. Yeah, make sure to drop a like as well, squad. Next week we'll do some Magic Keys giveaways before I go on holiday. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do some of that.
And Max, I'm not too worried about buys here because if you do a retest, right, you got 19 pip stop. Then you've got 164, and that's why I asked 164, 151 on the 1 hourly to the left is another resistance. So there's a couple of hurdles if you have 1H.
Yeah, there's one there.
Yeah, 164, 151.
Yeah. Well, you say it's enough for a buy?
No, because
no.
obviously where you
Yeah,
are now on the 15, if you get a break and you go for retest, your stop's going to be 19 pips.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Then you're going to run into 164 flat. Then if you pass 164, you've got the hurdle at 164, 1 for 1, which is fine, you'll get there. But it's the 164, right? And then 19 pip stop on the retest.
Yeah, I was thinking the stops are too big. Yep. Join here, that South African accent, my brew.
Hey, my brew.
Hey, my brew. Loads of South Africans in this bitch. There's too many of them.
What was his name?
It just said JC.
JC, you bloody legend.
Max, I use spread bet into trade. Sorry. Max, I use spread bet into trade, however you trade in lot sizes. Is that CFDs? Is it better to trade CFDs? Certainly spread betting is less flexible as you can't scale out of trades. Thanks. We just use MetaTrader, my man. I think it is called spread betting is what we'd probably be doing. don't know the actual terminology of it. I think maybe you're using like trading viewers, or not trading view, like trading 212 or something. But the only issue with them is the commissions are really high and the spreads are ass as well. See you later, Sash, my boy. So I mean, yeah, if this closure over here could make a little lower, it may continue, but there's a lot of hurdles over here that it's got to withstand. That's the only issue. That is the only issue.
If you look on the 30-minute, if we flip and we break the highs there, it's pretty clean all
Yeah.
the way up to 164, 500, more or less.
Apart from the hourly res,
It's a big bullish candle.
slow wick is rather nice. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it's so man. If you got in right,
It's 14 pips. It's 14 pips on the flip to 164.
yeah.
You've got foreign and then imbalanced candles that session goes on about to fill as well if you go up.
There's a lot of imbalance above. A lot of little gap candles between the wicks.
Yeah, that's what I'm on about.
To be fair, the flip now would be quite nice. Even on the retest here would be interesting, but I think I'd rather get in on the flip. And use current candle stops.
But it's in that retest zone now.
Yeah. Yeah, it'd be like 165, it'd be like 163, 750. I'd rather come a little bit further down, and then we can start pushing, yeah. So I've got a little buy stop over here because the low wick is rather tasty. On the high of this little candle over here, it's made a little nipple, so and then we should drive up to 164 flat, which would be here. So yeah. Was a great stream with you today. Oh, Aspen Charles FX. I didn't know you had a streaming thing. Could take a look at that. So now I'll be reflipping the 30s, etc. Yeah, stop loss now is going to be like 12 pips. That's fine. AJ in the 15-minute. Oh, look how shit that looks. Oh my god, that looks painful. Stop loss is like 16 pips. Tap in the 4 hour.
5 has gone past the retest zone.
Yeah.
You look at how deep it's. I mean, it's easy to see this past it anyway, but I mean, it just looks like projection to me.
Yeah.
Could just bounce in this range.
We'll see, man. 10 minutes left of this candle. I want it to bounce off now. For sure. Stop
Nice
space.
retest of the 4H flip.
Yeah. Stop loss is like 680. Got smacked on AJ sells minus 5 pips. Yeah, AJ looks pretty nasty over here. Yeah. Pretty nasty. Five-minute closed above. If it closed below that, I would have been a little bit cautious.
Oh, if this flips, we're gonna have a nice 1 hour push.
Yeah. want to scrape a little bit more, but it is coming towards 164, so we'll have to get out around these areas. We see how far it pushes. So how long left for this candle? 9 minutes. Yeah, still got a lot of the time, which is good. Oh yes. It's got a lot of time in the candle. So we'll see. If we break this current low, I'm gonna delete my my buy stops. It should stop pushing now. 8 minutes left, perfect time to stop pushing as well. So coming back down to these lows on the 5, this 5 looks like rejection to me, to be honest now.
It looks bad now.
Yeah.
I was gonna give it a shot. Like I was hoping for the 5 to like some support break its high, and then I was gonna really look at it by there.
Yeah.
But ain't cutting, man.
No. After this 5-minute one here started pushing, filling that zone, I was like, ah, this one needs to stop pushing hard, leaving the zone. So I've deleted my buy stops now, squad. Yeah. Still look at the 30. Yeah, 30 can still work out, but it's just, yeah, stuff's getting a little bit too big for the gain as well. Wow, yeah, AJ's been ruining some lives there. Holy shit. Oh, AJ does not look nice there at all. Sells are nicer, yeah. Well, not in this fucking zone though, which sucks. We have to wait. We have to wait for NY, to be honest. We may have to wait for NY. Maybe. No, it sells. I went short on that false breakout of the highs. Love fake false breakouts. You guys call them fake outs, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, boy.
Fucking power should have stayed up all week.
Yeah, it's been quite a slow week, hasn't it? Buy limit was 690. Yeah, me too, man. Oh, 690? Oh, buy limit is 690. Yeah, yeah, it's pushed too far. I mean, you can see the wicks there, the left, I suppose, but yeah. So now, as I say, you know, what do we always look at, right? We're always looking at the time of the candle. So if you're wanting to take a buy, right? If you're wanting to take a buy, you're expecting this candle to make this lower wick, flip, and continue bullish. Now, if the time of the candle is 5 minutes, or then 4 minutes, then 3 minutes, the probability of this, you know, playing out gets lower and lower as the time increases. Sorry, as the time decreases. So knowing this, you know, get out and like wait for the next closure. You know, when it gets close to this candle closure is the thing to do, because you know it's the probability that's going to make this lower wick now and flip and run in the next 4 minutes is probably quite low. So that's another way that sometimes we'll be in a trade with a buy stop and we'll take it off, because the probability of it working out in the next, you know, in the next 4 or 5 minutes is just very low. So yeah. Yeah. There's a few things this week. EJ was better on 845, 10 pips in running, hitting break even. Nice. Yeah, I saw this one here, the break of the highs there. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Oh yeah. So it is 10 minutes past 9 now. 4 minutes left for this candle to close. It's going to be ranging in this fucking area again. So I think I'm probably going to leave it off over here, squad. Oh, the flight's got cancelled. No, Oliver. Fuck. That's a nightmare. Oof. That's a nightmare, boy. So the 5 minute looking like it's starting to push now. Let's look at the 15. 4 minutes left. I mean, you could, if this closes like this or like a little bit weaker, you could get on the break of the highs, which would be the 30-minute flip. That is the only thing. That is the only thing. Oh my god, it might actually do this. 3 minutes left. Alright, man. Hope house moving is smooth for you and your girlfriend. Thanks, man. Thank you very much. It's going to be a pain in the ass to move all my shit. Really can't be asked, but anyway.
You're moving it tonight or tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Yeah, but I have to like pack shit today, don't I? Oh, can't be asked.
Yeah, no, Strong's with that one. I moved this week. It's such a fucking schlep.
Yeah, it's a ball ache.
Yeah, it's got.
It's a ball ache. The 5 minute. Oh.
I got.
You what?
Oh my god.
It may work out over here. Take a look at the 30 minutes. 17 minutes left. The 5 minute closes like that. Could be interesting. That could be interesting. So EJ made the lower wick on the 30, flipped and now continued. So it looked like people got that first 14 pips. Jesus Christ, 14 pips wasn't too bad at all. That's not too bad at all. Wow, look at like Goldie's just holding this trend line pretty hard. Yeah, Gold just holding it pretty hard. And yeah, I think in the next minute it's going to close here. Not the nicest. You could say maybe a celery play. It's the only thing you could probably see. After 5 minute close is bullish. Maybe. Yeah, wait for NY should open a bit up a bit, hopefully. Maybe. Are you still eyeing these up, Bri? The 5.
I am.
Yeah, I was thinking.
I'm rather just gonna wait and see if the support holds.
Well, if the support holds and we break the 5 minutes, basically the flip of the 30 minute as well. So
And
Yeah.
the 1H, right?
That's what I want.
yeah,
If you can
I'm
time
just
it on
eyeing
there.
the 1H.
I really want it to close like this, then break the highs. Minute left. Don't flip it in the last minute of the candle, you fucking tard. Ah. You had the whole 50 minutes to do it. Why the last fucking 40 seconds? 30 seconds left for this. Oh my god. So let's take a look then if we did get the flip. Stop loss of 16, it'd be up like 4. Yeah, that's not too bad. Not too bad so far.
break those eyes, break those eyes.
Oh, KK got in earlier.
Yes, same.
How the fuck did you get in? Just on the 5?
On the 5, yeah, 163.7 on 7.
What?
Yeah, I'm also in. I'm also on the flip.
It's the support holding, right? So it's just above the previous.
Wait, this one here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said 7 something. I was like, fuck
no,
me.
no.
How the fuck did you get down there? Oh, yeah, the 5
Yeah,
minute
so
break
you
there.
said 717 as well.
Yeah, I was like,
okay,
holy-
I just clicked
717.
buy on the 4-hour flip.
Yeah. Like, holy shit. So now 50 minutes close bullish above should theoretically continue now. So did you guys hit 10 pips there?
Yeah. 16.
So how much would stops be now on the previous 15? Yeah, huge. Got in long for 491 level. Ooh, 491? All the way down there? Shit. Oh yeah, it's GJ News in 50 minutes. Yeah, I'm definitely going to leave this then. But nice of people getting in there. So you're going on the break, the 5-minute highs there. Beautiful. Stop loss below.
Yeah.
Stop loss below. Very nice. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to wait for NY over here, guys, because there is news coming later on. There is news coming in around about 14 minutes on GJ. So be a little bit careful there. Hopefully this retracement can continue. Then take the sells later on. That's all we're going to look for. Same with Goldie. Goldie is pushed down quite a lot, so retracement is going to be needed, right, at some point. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the stream today. Nothing much yet, but it's the start of the month, and yeah, be careful on AJ. AJ looks like shit. EJ with some nice buys a little bit earlier on, and GJ little buys there, moved out nicely if you're going on the 5. So yeah, are you going to stream NY? I stream NY with the group, my man. Stream it on Zoom. Zoomy. So, yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for coming on, guys. Make sure you like the stream before you leave, and I'll see you guys later on. Simulation session will start at like 10, 15, something like that. So yeah, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys there. Peace out. We're going to continue the GJ one we just did before. Okay, see you later, guys. Peace out, man. Peace out. You stream NY session? Yeah, man, I stream NY privately with the group. There's the link to join that. But I am going on a holiday, so maybe just wait until I come back. Yeah, and we do simulation sessions as a group. We do webinars together. I give them homework, so it's a big meta shit, my man. It's good shit. So yeah, hope to see you guys next week on Monday, and I'll be in a new house. My God, right, guys? Peace out. Adios, amigos. See you later, alligator.